Okay, so right now I'm inside my house. It is Friday, February 8th. Every day I do a video, I always say what date it is so that we know what date it is. Basically, right now it's 9:03 p.m. The storm is underway. It's happening right now as we speak. I'm watching Weather Channel right now. It's the only channel that's actually providing coverage of this. All the local channels have resorted to give basic television services, like, you have regular programming on. So that's what's happening right now. So far, so good. The storm is not as intensified as it was originally predicted. I mean, the storm is expected to pick up tonight into tomorrow. But right now, as we speak, it's not bad. Of course, the North Shore, there are reports of 12 inches of snow or more. But right here in the South Shore, Baldwin, where I am right now, not even an inch of snow has fallen on the ground. I was very surprised to look at the accumulation out there, and it's really not bad at all. I'm really amazed at what a difference, a few miles makes, because from the South Shore to the North Shore is literally about roughly 20 square miles. So it's such an amazing sight to see how that much of a distance could really play a factor as to where the accumulation is happening. When I was out there at around 8:40, which was about 30 minutes ago, I only saw half an inch of slush. It was kind of like a mixture of different types of precipitation. I saw some sleet mixed in with some snow and some rain and some freezing rain, a layer of ice in between. So it was just a mess of that. And that was that 1 inch that I saw. But of course, it's only 9:05 p.m. The storm is expected to intensify. We're not even seeing the brunt of the storm yet. So there is still more to come. How much will come, that will be determined by where the snow bands are and how intensifying it is. So far, so good. And it's 9:05 p.m. right now. I'm looking at weather reports. Times Square in New York City has seen already 6 inches. The North Shore of Long Island, Port Jefferson, and Riverhead, Syosset, Port Washington, these areas have already seen more than 10 inches of snow already. So far, so good. So, bad for them, but over here in Baldwin, Freeport, Hempstead, these areas, barely any snow at all. Only 1 inch so far. So, that's basically it. I apologize for the crying in the background. It's my sister acting up a little bit. I don't know what's wrong with her. But, but so far, so good. It was kind of a distraction a little bit with her crying in the background. I'm hoping she's okay. But so far, so good. Alright, so we just got to get through this. And hopefully, I'll do another update at 12 o'clock if need be. Because if it's not really intensifying, there's really no need to go out there. I'll do a window update. But, if it does pick up like they say it does, I will try to get another video out for you during those hours when it's a little bit stronger. So now, the window of opportunity between 12 and 5 a.m. to see some snow accumulation happening significantly. They're saying they're still sticking with the forecast between 12 to 18 inches of snow. So that's still in the ballpark. We're, of course, over here in Hempstead, Freeport, Baldwin, Rockville Center, Seaford, the South Shore of Long Island only has seen about an inch so far. Of course, these areas to be very localized. Right here where I am, at least, only an inch has fallen so far. And Westbury, when I left Micro Center in Westbury, I saw about 3 inches on the ground. So it just goes to show how where you are in these types of storms really does play a major factor. More updates to come later on.